Hi, madam. So today I would like to present about the problem-based task 2, which is hotel management system here. So here are my team members. I myself, Tishalini Mahendran, and then Vikna Vishagan and Jayasri are also. Here we can see the client-side scripting part of our project. We have used HTML and CSS here. HTML is used to create the interface for the receptionist. For example, we can see in the code there's a form with a drop down menu that allows the receptionist to select different file operations like open and write file, and then the read file, rename file, and delete file. Basically, this part handles how the user interacts with the system on the browser side, what they see and click on. Then CSS is used to make the page look more attractive. It controls the background color, layout of the form, the text styles, and button appearance. So overall, this slide shows how we design the front end interface using HTML for structure and CSS for style.
The next is server-side scripting used. The purpose is PHP handles all the logic and the file operation on the server. It reads the receptionist input as post mode and performs file management tasks like writing, reading, renaming, or deleting files. Key PHP features use fopen, fwrite, fgate, fgatec. It's for file handling function. The next is file exist, rename, unlink, mkdir, rmdir, directory operation. HTML special characters and sanitizes output to prevent excesses. Conditional statements to control different actions. And this is about explanation of each module and function. First one, open and write file, creates a file guest list.txt and writes guest data inside, fopen, fwrite, and fclose. Second is read file, displays all guest names stored in the file, fopen, fgate, and fof. And third, count characters. Count the total number of characters in the file, fgatec, which means they count the number of total letters. Number four, rename file. Change file name from guest list.txt to check in guest.txt. Rename the file. And the last is delete file. Deletes the rename file permanently, unlinked.
Good day, madam. I'm Jayshree, and today I like to present the secure coding practices in this program. First, we have input validation. The mode is retrieved using post only after checking set prevents undefined input process. And then second is output SQP. HTML special character is used when display the file contents or directory names, and this prevents cross-site scripting attacks by converting special HTML characters like or into safe text. Third is file and directory validation. Checks with the file exists before reading, renaming, or deleting a file. Prevents error or attempts to manipulate non-existent file. Thank you, madam.